Hair Clinic is a private medical center specializing in aesthetic medicine, plastic surgery, dentistry, and weight loss surgery. The success rate of bariatric surgeries and dental restorations is 95%. For hair transplants, veneers, and implants, it reaches 99%. Doctors use the newest hair transplant techniques, Sapphire FUE and DHI, that almost do not leave any traces. Doctors at hair clinics have already performed over 20,000 transplant procedures. Hair Clinic holds the Mud Avods Award as the best medical center in Turkey for hair transplantation. More than 5,000 patients pick the clinic every year. They mainly come from European countries, Canada, the USA, Australia, and Russian-speaking countries. Dr. Cengiz Yelisi is the clinic's founder. He is a specialist with about 20 years of experience. View before and after photos of his hair transplant works to evaluate the results of patients' makeovers. There is a 5-star hotel for patients and their accompanying persons at the clinic's territory. You will also be provided with free transfer and interpreting services if necessary. Arrange your trip to Hair Clinic with Bookimed. Bookimed provides 24/7 support, free treatment arrangements, a personal medical coordinator, and protects your interests before, during and after your medical trip. Bookimed collects independent patient reviews about clinics and doctors to help you get the best experience. Only a patient or an accompanying person who has booked the clinic on the Bookimed website can give feedback. Thank you for your time. We have been working since 2014. And during this period, we have gained invaluable experience in solving medical issues of any complexity. Submit a request on the Bookimed website for free assistance and medical trip arrangement. A medical coordinator will study your case and contact you shortly.